Welcome back to the channel. Today's update is not just big, it's a full-on leap forward in drone technology. DJI, the undisputed leader in aerial innovation, is finally ready to unveil what might just be the most advanced compact drone we've ever seen, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. And no, this isn't a rumor anymore. It's happening. Confirmed. Whether you're a professional drone filmmaker, content creator always chasing that perfect aerial shot, or just someone who geeks out over cutting-edge tech, this is the one you've been waiting for. Now the buzz started when respected filmmaker Mauro Tandoi shared a mysterious teaser clip. In the short video, we see a mountain biker pausing next to a drone no one recognized, but its sleek foldable design and redesigned body instantly screamed next-gen. The internet didn't waste a second. Zoomed-in screenshots, frame by frame, breakdowns and speculation exploded across forums. What stood out were slimmer arms, redesigned motor pods for improved airflow, and a completely refined structure. This isn't a mild upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro, it's a total reimagining. And from what we've seen so far, the Mini 5 Pro looks ready to redefine the sub-250 grams drone category with smarter design, stronger performance, and next-level flight intelligence. Thanks to DJI insider Jasper Ellens, we now even have a confirmed launch date, August 7th, 2025. That's earlier than expected and already has the drone world buzzing with anticipation. If you've been holding off on upgrading, or if this would be your very first drone, this could be the perfect time to dive in. Let's talk power specifically, battery power. According to FCC filings, the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 4,680 mAh battery, offering a jaw-dropping flight time of up to 55 minutes under ideal conditions. That's not just a bump, that's a huge leap. It puts this tiny drone on par with, and in some cases ahead of, much larger models. Longer flight times mean more time in the air, fewer battery swaps, and way less stress when you're trying to capture that perfect golden hour shot or film wide, sweeping landscapes. On the camera front, things get even more exciting. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro will be equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. For context, that's a sensor size typically reserved for high-end drones or even some mirrorless cameras. With that kind of tech packed into such a small body, we can expect major improvements in low-light performance, color depth, dynamic range, and 4K video clarity. Imagine sunrise shoots, twilight landscapes, or cloudy day flights that look as cinematic as a Netflix documentary. If you're a creator who obsesses over visuals, this is the upgrade you've been dreaming of. And it's not just about seeing. Clearly, it's about flying smart. One of the coolest upgrades is a potential 360-degree rotating gimbal, which could unlock buttery-smooth pans, complex tracking shots, and creative angles usually only possible with bigger rigs. Add in rumors of a new front-facing 3D infrared obstacle avoidance system capable of detecting objects up to 25 meters away, and the Mini 5 Pro starts sounding more like a sci-fi scout drone than a casual consumer product. DJI seems to be prioritizing both creative freedom and flight safety. Even in low-light or indoor environments, internally DJI hasn't cut any corners either. Expect vented high-torque motors for better cooling, quick-swap propellers, up to 30 gigabytes internal storage, and better thermal management for long shoots. All this adds up to a drone that's faster to set up, easier to fly, and built to perform when it matters most. And for those flying long distances or requiring pro-level streaming, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature DJI's O4 video transmission system, supporting up to 20 kilometers of range with ultra-low latency. That's practically from one city to another, depending on your airspace. And for the gearheads out there, yes, it's likely to support accessories like the new DJI RCN3 controller, Goggles 3, motion control systems, and maybe even voice commands. There's also talk of a dedicated cinematic mode button that instantly switches to buttery pre-programmed flight patterns. Imagine just tapping a button and letting your drone shoot. Perfect orbit or pull-away shot now. That's creator convenience. When it comes to pricing, things are surprisingly reasonable. The standard Mini 5 Pro kit is expected to launch at around $850. While the Fly More combo could land at $1,000, that positions it nicely between the Mini 4 Pro and the Air 3S, given the performance bump, sensor upgrade, and pro-grade flight. Tools. It's a very competitive offer for both newcomers and serious creators. But DJI's not stopping there. Alongside the drone, we're also expecting the release of the Osmo 360, a flagship action camera with dual 1-inch sensors, 8K 360 video capture, ultra-wide f1.9 lenses, 10-bit color, gesture control, magnetic mounting, and even support for fitness data overlays via Apple Watch or Garmin wearables. It's built for action sports, vlogging, and immersive storytelling, and yes, it works seamlessly with DJI's drone lineup. So here's the bottom line. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another step forward. It's a giant leap into the future of aerial content creation. With its stunning flight time, industry-leading sensor, professional gimbal system, and ultra-compact design, it's shaping up to be the dream drone for anyone who wants power, portability, and precision. One sleek package. Whether you're planning to film your next mountain hike, explore cityscapes from above, or create your own travel series, the only question left is, what will you create with it? Let us know your plans in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on everything related to the Mini 5 Pro and the future of drone tech, don't forget to subscribe to channel, tap that notification bell, and give this video a like. For more awesome content, check out our recent DJI Air 3S comparison, or our hands-on with the Osmo Pocket 3, both linked on your screen right now. Till next time, fly safe, capture beautifully, and stay curious.